How to download music from YouTube as an MP3. So we can actually download music on YouTube using the YouTube audio library. Now this will let you download music as an MP3 file, and you can use these songs in your YouTube videos completely royalty free. So to do this, we need to first open up the YouTube website and make sure you're signed into your account. You can then click on your profile icon in the top right hand side and then select YouTube Studio. From the left navigation, scroll all the way down to Audio Library and click on this. And here you'll find a bunch of different music and soundtracks that you can go and use. Now you can select the play icon to hear a preview of this particular soundtrack. Once you've found the song or the track that you want to download, simply click on the download button next to this particular song, and that's going to download this as an MP3 file onto our computer. Now, if it's sound effects that you're looking for, you can click on the sound effects tab, and this is going to filter it to only sound effects. Let me know in the comments if you did find this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.